Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My channel name is Techno Window. Today I would like to show you how to use live transcripts in voice memos on iPhone with iOS 18. Before I start, make sure you are using iPhone iOS 18 or later. First, open the Voice Memos app on your iPhone. Method 1. Generating a live transcript. Then tap red record button to start recording. Swipe up on the recording interface to expand it. You can tap pause button or tap on the transcript icon in the bottom left corner of the screen to view the live transcript. The transcript will appear on the screen as you record. Now I would like to show you how to generate transcripts for existing recordings. First, open the app and go to the recording you want to generate the transcript for. Tap it once to expand the options for it. Then tap on the waveform icon, then tap transcript icon once. Immediately, the transcript for the recording will be generated. Depending on the length of the audio, it may take a few seconds. Now I would like to show you how to viewing a transcript. First, open Voice Memo app. To see the transcript for a recording, tap on the recording. Then tap three-dot menu icon that appears. Tap View Transcript from the options. You can also copy the transcript and paste it anywhere using the Copy Transcript option in the menu. Finally, to get the search option, swipe up on the transcript screen, then tap Search to find anything in it. So these are the steps to use live transcripts in voice memos on iPhone with iOS 18. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.